The Galaxy Tab S9 series features major upgrades, including AMOLED displays across all models, excellent S Pen features, IP68 rating, and the latest chipsets. The base Tab S9 is an excellent value product. The upcoming Galaxy Tab S10 is an iterative upgrade that upgrades all key specs. We expect a new chip, brighter screens, possibly faster charging, and most importantly, new software features. The Tab S9 series is Apple's main competitor to the iPad Pro lineup. There are rumors that the excellent 14.6 giant OLED display will have better brightness and color accuracy. Dynamic AMOLED will only get better. Recent reports suggest the upcoming Tab S10 tablet is inching closer to launch as its battery has been spotted on the Safety Korea certification website. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus battery listing confirms its model number and reveals it's a standard lithium-ion battery. Unfortunately, the battery's capacity details remain a mystery due to blurry product photos on the certification platform. The Exynos 2400 SoC was first used on the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. Currently, the reception is fairly positive. However, it needs further testing in hotter climates. It's the best Exynos chip that Samsung made. Samsung might use the Exynos 2400 in some regions on the Tab S10 and Tab S10 Plus. The Ultra will mostly get the 8 Gen 3. The 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy has faster clock speeds and can theoretically perform better in CPU-intensive tasks. We don't expect prices to increase since Samsung has to price the product competitively against the iPad Pros. Since there's a lot of competition from Xiaomi and Huawei in the tablet space, Samsung has to differentiate itself with better software and exclusive apps. We expect better app support for Samsung tablets and One UI exclusive apps. They might improve the first-party apps and features too. We also expect 7 years of software support for the Galaxy Tab S10 series. It'll mostly ship out of the box with features like touching down to slow down any video, summing up, live calls, text translation, and others. The tablets might have some exclusive features for the larger size. Samsung has not officially announced the pricing of the Galaxy Tab S10 series yet, but based on the pricing of previous models and rumors, here's what we can expect. The base model could start around $799 for the 8GB and 128GB variant. The Plus model could start around $999 for the 12GB and 256GB variant. The top-of-the-line Ultra model could start around $1,199 for the 12GB and 512GB variant. If it comes out in July or August 2024, it'll miss the Android 15 update and will ship out of the box with One UI 6.1.1 and Android 14. Samsung is already testing One UI 6.1.1 for larger devices. We expect the Z Fold 6 and Tab S10 series to ship with this version. We don't expect any major changes to the storage SKUs and the product's overall design. Samsung's current design is fairly functional and houses a free S Pen in the box. It charges magnetically and sticks to the side. Samsung won't change the display sizes much either since the current options cover all the important sizes. Samsung still doesn't have a good 8 option, and they might add it later. If Samsung decides to refresh the tablets again in 2024, which they mostly will, it'll happen in July or August 2024. Samsung refreshing the lineup is important since Apple is allegedly making major hardware upgrades to the iPad Pros this year, including OLED panels and better chipsets. The previous cannot possibly compete in hardware, so Samsung has to launch the Tab S10 series in 2024. If they continue to follow the August schedule, we will see it in August 2024.